Hello, this is Ebonygeek. You're always welcome to join me in expanding your knowledge base. Comments are always welcome, and please subscribe. Step 4. We have some flathead screws and 4 nuts. Here's how that's going to work. What we're doing is we're unscrewing the screw here on the battery pack. Okay, so we got the screws off of here. You opening the pack up. Setting them to the side. We're adding them to the side underneath the power button. 2 holes from the back. That's the power button. They want it to be the screws closest to the end. So it's 2 down. Let's go ahead and get this open. Okay. And I know that this is taking a long time to actually do this, but we're taking it step by step and figuring it out as we go. And that way maybe you could do it real time with me if you're actually following with the kit. Okay. So we're counting from the back. There's 1, 2. We want it in that 3rd one right there, because that's the way we want it to be. So 1, 2. And the 3rd one. Okay, come on. Okay, if you can see it's in the 3rd one. Then you're going to secure it with the nut here. Okay, I'm just going to catch this screw with my other finger, because I do better getting these things in with this hand and just reaching through like normal and getting the nut on there. Screwing. And of course, patience, patience, patience will get you everywhere. That first one on. Let's go ahead and thread the second one on. And since we already have the first one on, I'm just gonna try to get the screw in here like that. Okay, let's see. It's not lining up just right with it. I'm thinking I'm going to have to squeeze a little bit to get the hole to go in, right? Right, so you got to squeeze it a little bit and then push. There we go. Push some more while squeezing. And there we go. Okay, so you're going to have to do a little bit of manipulating to get that in, right? But it is on hole 3, and we got it for the first side. Now putting the nut on. So just reaching through. Patience, 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 and there we go. Getting our little socket, and then screwing it in. Okay, this one. Our little socket. Is that even on there? It's on there. And then screwing it in. Alright, we got the first one on, and that's how it looks. Okay, so putting the cover back on for now. Supposed to happen. Okay. Now we just got to get the second one on. It's pretty much the same. We just want to make sure that the wires are actually at the top. Okay. That's the most important thing to do. So we're coming over from the second one. So I'm just sighting 1, 2, 3. That's the right one. And I'm actually looking through the holes. That's how I saw that. Okay. So maybe to keep from having to deal with that other thing, I'm putting them both in at the same time. And they fit in pretty well. Then I'm just going to try to get it threaded on like this so that the other one don't fall off. And that was pretty smooth the way that one went on. Okay, let's see if we can make it smooth the way this one goes on. Okay, well, I say, nicely done. So, those went on very easy, very well. And that is going to be step 4, I believe. Let me just get the socket so we could get this tightened up. This one down. Okay, so we got step 4 done. And we have both our battery packs set up. Let's go ahead and put the cover on for this one. It's just a matter of getting it lined up and then sliding it forward. Okay, so that's what we have at the end of step 4. Step 5, we had these 3-hole notch flat bar. Okay, you need to get it on here just like so and screw it in. We're going to thread this through here, and since we have this flat bar, I'm just going to put it through here like this, and I'm just going to reach through here and get the knot on. Got that one on. That might make it a little bit easier getting this one on. The one on the bottom is going to be a tight squeeze just like the ones we did before. But hopefully by getting this top one on, it could possibly hold the other one. It could hold it for when I get the other one on. I'm just gonna back this screw out a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna back this one off a little bit so it don't interfere with us trying to get this one on. So now that this bracket is being held on to this one, I don't have to try so hard as far as keeping this front bracket right there, so I could take the nut, because that's the only way this one is gonna work, is to do like we did the front one. Okay, so I just dropped the nut in there, and I'm gonna try to move it in position with my finger. Okay, and then screw it in, because it seems to be in the right place. Just put it in there, and hopefully I believe we have it. Yes, we do. That was really simple, wasn't it? So we have that one, and we're gonna just take our socket, put it on there, and hold it in place. Hopefully it'll do it here. No, it's not, because the other one's in the way. So we just gonna try to hold it with our fingers best possible, because the other screw is keeping it from actually being able to use the socket wrench. So I believe that's pretty tight, I think. Okay, then we gotta do the same thing to tighten this one back up. Okay, and on to getting the next one on. So doing the top one helps, as we saw before. So doing the top one first. So I have this one in, and I'm just gonna pop it over here, and I'm just gonna try to get the nut on. I'm gonna come through here though. Okay, that one went on pretty nice and easy. Okay, so just tightening it up, holding the nut from the bottom, and maybe I can get this one on. Yeah, we can. This is not a tight squeeze. Okay, we want this one kind of tight, because that'll hold the one on the bottom right there. As you can see, it here holds it on good, and that makes it easier to get this one on. So I'm just gonna back off of this screw right here, remember, because we need it to be loosened a bit so we could get this other one on. Okay, I think that's all we need to loosen it. Let's see a little bit more. Come on. Alright. Alrighty. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this one right up there, and I want to take a look at it until I see the nut in a straight shot through. And then I'm going to take the screw. Let's position it a little better. Try to maybe get it screwed in some. So let's see. Let's see if it'll screw in. There we go. So it's in, so I'm just trying to get it tightened. Pretty good. Okay, and I'm gonna tighten this one up. We have step 5 done. I am Ebonygeek, and I hope that the information provided has been helpful to you. Please remember to subscribe. Happy building and happy coding.